Each year, a significant number of chartered accountants apply to ISB. This video is relevant to these candidates. A clear understanding of post-ISB goals helps candidates at every stage of the application process, including application and interview. Well-articulated essays increase the chances of candidates to receive an interview invite and also enable the candidates to perform confidently in the interview, thereby increasing the chances of admission. Chartered accountants applying to ISB must have clarity on the post-ISB career options for two main reasons. A clear knowledge of post-ISB career options for chartered accountants provides clarity of thought in order to effectively articulate the post-ISB goals in the essays as part of the application. Clarity on the post-ISB career goal enables the candidates to defend the goal more confidently during the interviews. At the risk of generalizing, we have observed over the years that a significant number of chartered accountants whom we work with during the ISB application process have prior work experience in the areas of audit and taxation. These have traditionally been the sweet spots for chartered accountants. Additionally, logical reasoning, ability to work in cross-functional environments, and a sense of accountability are some of the soft skills that further make chartered accountants sought after post their MBA. Let's discuss the most prominent post-ISB career pathways for chartered accountants. Corporate finance. Typically, the field of corporate finance deals with topics such as budgeting, capital structure, sources of funding, working capital management, and allocation of financial resources. For instance, if Reliance is looking at raising 1 lakh crore rupees for an ambitious new project, what would be the most efficient way of raising this fund? Should the company take debt? Should it go the equity route? Should it be through internal accruals? Or should it be a mix of these various options? Arriving at an answer to this question requires knowledge that transcends understanding of just the balance sheet, cash flow statement, and income statement. It requires knowledge in areas such as return on investment, net present value, and cost of capital, to name a few. Investment analyst. An investment analyst researches and analyzes financial data to help guide investment decisions. Investment decisions can be made across various asset classes such as equities, fixed income, real estate, and commodities. Let us take equities as an example. An investment analyst recommending clients to buy stocks of Infosys, for example, needs to have knowledge of the functioning of the IT services industry, appreciation of challenges and opportunities of this sector, and an understanding of the competitive strategies of various players in the IT services sector. Private equity analyst. This is actually a subcategory of investment analyst. A private equity firm manages a fund that invests in private companies that are not traded on the stock market. Private equity analyst's role is to evaluate and manage investment opportunities for the fund. Here again, a strategic outlook, an understanding of the sector, and skills of valuation come in handy for a successful career. Consulting. Consulting entails offering expertise and advice to a client on a specific matter. With their background, chartered accountants are often uniquely positioned for a post-MBA career in consulting, in areas such as financial services or strategy and corporate finance. The existing knowledge base of chartered accountants, coupled with the knowledge in strategy and finance that they acquire during MBA, makes them strong candidates for these roles. Note that this is not an exhaustive list. If you are a chartered accountant applying to ISB and if you are wondering about the best post-ISB career pathway for yourself, do not hesitate to get in touch with us to discuss further. We wish you good luck and hope that your ISB dream becomes your future.